I done copied it all on myself. I done copied it all on myself. Something on the cell, somebody creating the cell. I got a couple of cells, a couple of organelles, a couple of nisms. Let's switch up the any and copy the crumbs. She doing me and I'm copying her some. I'm doing stuff and I'm doing it for fun. I got 4 new cells, those are my daughters. She got crushed over and look like her father. Diversity is sport, then I'm LeBron James. Chromosomes short and tiny in the stage. This is called the pro phase. After that is a meta phase. Line in the middle, and pull away. That is called anaphase. And pro phase, how variety get made. Crossover the genes movie. Made up the exchanging, dang.
I need more new cells. Hey, little cell, I need more. Tell me how many more you can make.
Now the nuclei begun. I'm making 2 cause at first we need to make 2 cells. In telophase we better hope we get the relevant stuff coming with us. What could be happening if my cells weren't haploid? Tell me what you would have done. My cytokinesis made 2 cells for fun. New organelles get working. Wish they'd work as much as Liam Frey. I don't need 2, I need 4 sons or daughter cells to get me. Put some cells in my domain. How many cells can I claim? If not double 2, then it's lame. I don't need interface, I just need interkinesis. I'm making it for like cars or tires. My cells aren't ticked off. I let them rest, not cancerous. Replicate all the cells.
I need more new cells. Hey, little cell, I need more. Tell me how many more you can make.
I just started the second prophase and the songs that started short again. They are crossing this time in metaphase 2. I lined them up and met them up again. Then I horizontally some sort of way and it was just second anaphase. I remember the chromosomes leaving the middle and I had to let them leave and run away. Now you know they ran straight to telophase again. He was having making them some new nuclei. I had to tell him to go join cell telophase. So there's ghetto still into 2. Took some more organelles until cytokinesis to make 2 gametes for me. Both AG daughter cells did it and ended with 4. The rest of my daughter cells cool. Osmology zeros they don't reproduce. Perhaps they did that I could have killed consumers. I made 4 gametes to win the bigger gene pool. I made these other gametes to make offspring future. I go for gametes in it's Meiosis 2. Before that was Meiosis 1 doubling so I started with 1 and added virating for prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis, do it again, done.
I need more new cells. Hey, little cell, I need more. Tell me how many more you can make.
So
What am I here with today?
You ridiculous.
What song did you cover?
Under the Sun by J. Cole.
And what version is this?
Under the Cell, Meiosis remix.
So in the beginning, you start by saying, I done copied it all, oh my cell. And then you say that again. Meaning?
It means how the cell goes through DNA replication.
So copy the DNA?
Yeah.
The DNA?
DNA.
Okay, we'll see. Then you say something new under the cell. Somebody creating the cells. I got a couple of cells, a couple of organelles, a couple of nisms that switch to the NA and copy the crumbs. Meaning?
It means how the cell goes through interface.
Okay.
Yes.
She duping me and I'm crossing her zone. I'm doubling stuff and I'm doing it for fun. I got 4 new cells, those are my daughters.
It means how the daughter's cells get crossed over. And those are the daughter cells.
She got crossed over and looked nothing like her father. If diversity is sports, then I'm LeBron James. Does this mean the same thing?
No, it doesn't.
What does it
Because
mean?
whenever she gets crossed over, that's a tetrad crossing over. And the genes are different. And diversity of sport, I'm LeBron James, because I'm the goat of diversity.
I see. Chromosomes short and tighten in the first stage. That is called the prophase.
Because in prophase, the chromosomes are time.
Okay. After that is metaphase. Line in the middle, now pull away. That is called anaphase.
Because metaphase, they line in the middle, pull away, and interface.
In prophase, how did variety get made? Cross over the genes moving, met up, now the exchanging thing.
Yeah, pretty much.
What does this mean?
It means how in prophase 1, they did the thing.
Crossover?
Yeah, crossover.
Okay. Yeah, now we're gonna switch interviewers.
Alright, what am I here with today?
This is the only one you talk about.
Okay. What song are you a part of?
Under the Cell, Meiosis remix.
Okay. So it seems like in a part you have an ad lib and it says, I made 4 new cells. Hey, little cell, tell me how many more you can make.
So basically it says that one cell is capable of making 4 daughter cells of meiosis, but those daughter cells can make more cells. So it's basically asking the cell, how many cells can you really make? You know? You know?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, can this recording end? Can you end it? Who am I here with today?
You're with Liam Frey.
And what song were you part of?
I was part of Under the Cell Meiosis remix.
Alright, in the beginning you say, now the nuclei begun. I'm making 2 cells because at first we make 2 cells. In telophase, you better hope the right amount of stuff coming with us.
So basically, that just means in telophase 2 nuclei are formed, and I was just picking up from where Ethan left off.
Ethan.
Yeah.
You say, what could be happening if my cells were halfway? Tell me what you would have done.
So basically, if your cells aren't halfway, there could be a sex chromosome mutation.
That's very bad.
Yeah, that's very bad.
My cytokinesis made 2 cells for fun. New organelles get working. Wish they work as hard as Liam Frey. You must work very hard.
Yeah, I work very hard, man.
What does that mean?
So basically, I work very hard, and the cytokinesis, it just represents how hard I work.
Because it made like 2 cells and cells work hard?
Yeah.
Alright, when I say, I don't need 2. I need 4 sons or daughter cells to gamete me. Put some new cells in my domain. How many new cells can I claim? If not double of 2, then it's lame. What does this mean?
So basically, the cells are doubled, so you get 4 What?
I think it is. Yeah. So 2 cells, right?
Yeah.
2 cells are made.
Cells are made.
But how many do you need?
4.
So
That's like double.
So it's saying like you need 4 cells made.
Yeah, and you got to put them in that domain.
All right.
And then,
All right. You say I don't need interface, just need interkinesis. This means
so interface, right? Interface is before the cell cycle, and basically interkinesis like.
so you're basically saying you're doing interkinesis instead. All right. I'm making it for like a car's tires.
So you know how a car has 4 tires? So basically when they duplicate, it becomes 4 cells. So it's 4 car tires. Yeah.
My cells aren't ticked off. I let them rest, not cancerous. Replicate all the cells.
So when they're resting, they're like not cancerous and stuff, and yeah.
And then replicate all the cells. That means
It's just representing like how they're replicated. Yeah. All right. So who am I here with today?
you stop it up.
And what song were you a part of?
I know salary next.
Okay. All right. Seems like I'm here with you again. All right. So you say I just started the second prophase, and sometimes they start shortening again. They aren't crossing this time in metaphase 2.
So this shows that when prophase 2, we're doing prophase again, but this is the second prophase. And in this one, the chromosomes, they shorten inside again. And they're also not crossing over this time.
Pretty cool. All right. Next, you say they aren't crossing this time in metaphase 2. I met them again, and they lined up horizontally.
Yeah, so this says that in metaphase 2, the chromosomes, they meet up in the middle, or line up in the middle, whatever you want to say. But they're also horizontal.
Next, you say zones pulled away, and it was just the second anaphase. I remember the chromosomes leaving the middle, and I let them run away.
Oh, yeah, that's true. So basically, in anaphase 2, I was actually down when anaphase 2 happened. The chromosomes, they went away from the middle and went to the edges. Yeah, I was there.
Yeah. Oh, really?
That's why I said I remember.
Oh, shoot. I'm starting to get it now. Okay. Now you know they ran straight to telophase again, and he was happy making nuclei. I had to tell him to let go from the joint cell.
Yeah, so basically, cytokinesis is about to happen. And before that, telophase made 2 nuclei for these new genetic informations.
That's interesting. Yeah, very interesting. You say they took some organelles and told cytokinesis to make 2 gametes for me. Both OG daughter cells did this, so I ended up with 4. What is that?
So basically, cytokinesis made 2 daughter cells. But remember from Ethan Williams' part, 2 daughter cells were made. Both of them did that. So then we ended up with 4 daughter cells.
I remember that. I remember saying that. So, after you say that, you say, after rest, my daughter cells still do it. It's really cool. Acknowledge G0 so they don't reproduce.
Can you read the line after that as well?
Yeah. Forever if they did, that I could have cancer and tumors.
So basically, this says that the cells, they always are reproducing. But not always. There's G0, and these cells, they do G0. But if they didn't do G0, you could have cancer.
After that, you say, I made 4 gametes in a bigger gene pool. Me with other gametes to make offspring in the future. I got 4 new gametes as meiosis 2.
So basically, I made 4 gametes from meiosis. And in the future, one day, to make an embryo, 2 gametes are going to meet, and offspring will be made. And what was the last one before that you read?
I got 4 new gametes as meiosis 2.
Yeah, I already explained that.
Okay.
And now?
You want me to go on?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, you say, before that was meiosis 1, and doubling my stuff. Started with 1 and added variety in 4.
Yeah, so before that, it was meiosis 1, and then I doubled my stuff. And before meiosis 1, I actually doubled my stuff. So I doubled, and meiosis 1, and what was the line after that?
The one after that was prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis. Do it again. Done.
The steps of meiosis. And I said done. Yeah.
Okay, cool.